Hey there, high flyers. Welcome to our channel, Law of Attraction Solutions. You know, on this channel, we have a lot of fun, but we also talk about miracles. Miracles when it comes to love, when it comes to money, happiness, using the power of the law of attraction. Rachel and I are so grateful for all your support that we'd like to share something special with you. It's our free ebook, and this book is designed to help you attract miracles in your life. You simply go to threewordformula.com/miracles and claim your free ebook right now. It'll help you get started on the pathway of making miracles a regular thing in your life. You know, it's funny, the late Wayne Dyer said that people that don't believe in miracles, they never see them. And people that do believe in miracles, they see them all the time. I believe you deserve a miracle. That's why we wrote this ebook. So give it a try, read the ebook, get the information out of it, and send us your feedback. We'd like to hear from you. And thank you for supporting us here at Law of Attraction Solutions.